Hey, my name is Carter, and this is CoinCarter, where I share everything I know about money. Today, as a part of our Road to $1,000 a Day series, I'm going to be talking about how to make money with online freelancing. Freelancing is a great way to make money online, and it's something that anyone can do. Whether you're a stay-at-home mom, a student, or just someone looking to make some extra cash, freelancing can be a great option for you. The amount of money you can make freelancing can vary greatly depending on a number of factors such as the type of work you do, your experience and skill level, and the demand for your services. Some freelancers make a few $100s a month, while others make hundreds of thousands of dollars a year. Ultimately, the amount of money you can make freelancing will depend on your own efforts and abilities. According to a survey conducted by Upwork, the average hourly rate for freelancers on their platform is $21. However, some freelancers, particularly those with specialized skills or a high level of experience, can charge significantly more. First, let's talk about what freelancing is. Freelancing is when you offer your services to clients on a project-by-project basis, rather than being employed by a single company. It's a great way to work on your own terms and to make money doing something you're passionate about. The first step to getting started with freelancing is to identify your skills and what you can offer to potential clients. This could be anything from writing and graphic design to programming and social media management. It's important to choose a skill that you're passionate about, because you'll be more likely to enjoy the work and be successful at it. Identifying your skills for freelancing can be done in several ways. Reflect on your past experiences. Look at your previous jobs and projects to identify skills that you have developed over time that may be valuable to potential clients. Take a skills assessment. There are many online tools and quizzes that can help you identify your skills and strengths. Research the market. Look at what kind of services are in demand among freelancers and identify areas where you feel you could provide value. Ask for feedback. Ask colleagues, friends, and family for their honest opinion on the skills you have in areas where they think you excel. Try out different skills. You can try out different skills by taking on small projects or working on your own projects to identify your interests and strengths. By doing these things, you can gain a better understanding of what skills you can offer and what freelancing opportunities align with your strengths. Once you've identified your skills, the next step is to create a portfolio. This is a collection of your work that you can show to potential clients. Your portfolio should include samples of your work and testimonials from past clients. This will help you stand out from the competition and make it more likely that you'll get hired. There are several free portfolio websites that you can use to showcase your work and skills as a freelancer. Some popular options include Behance, a platform owned by Adobe where you can showcase your work, connect with other creatives, and find job opportunities. CarbonMade, a website builder that allows you to create a portfolio in minutes. Dribbble, a community for designers where you can share your work and get inspiration from other designers. GitHub, platform where you can host your code and software development projects. LinkedIn, a professional networking platform that allows you to create a portfolio and connect with potential clients. Wix, website builder that allows you to create a portfolio website and also offers a free plan with limited functionality. WordPress.com, a blog hosting platform that also allows you to create a portfolio website. These are just a few examples, but there are many other free portfolio websites available online. You can try different platforms and see which one works best for you and your specific needs. Now it's time to start finding clients. There are many ways to do this, but some of the most popular methods include using online platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, networking and reaching out to potential clients directly, and creating your own website or social media presence to attract clients. When it comes to using online platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, the key is to create a strong profile that showcases your skills and experience. Be sure to include a professional photo, a detailed description of your skills, and samples of your work. Be active on the platform, apply to job postings, and reach out to potential clients directly. Networking is also a great way to find clients. Attend networking events and join online groups related to your field. Reach out to other freelancers and ask for referrals. Building a good reputation and having a good network can lead to more opportunities and clients. Creating your own website or social media presence is also a great way to attract clients. By creating a website or blog, you can showcase your skills and showcase your portfolio. You can also use social media to connect with potential clients and to promote your services. Some of the top social media websites include Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, and Pinterest, just to name a few. When it comes to actually working with clients, it's important to have a clear understanding of the project and the terms of payment. You should also have clear communication with your clients, setting expectations and deadlines. It's also important to be professional and to deliver quality work on time. As a result, it is critical to be organized and manage your time effectively. Freelancing can be flexible, but it's still important to have a schedule and stick to it. This will help you stay on top of your work and meet deadlines. There are several online platforms that can help you stay organized as a freelancer. Some popular options include Trello, a project management tool that allows you to create boards for different projects and tasks, and move cards around to visualize progress. Asana, a project management tool that allows you to create tasks, subtasks, and projects, and assign them to team members. Google Calendar, a calendar tool that allows you to schedule events, appointments, and set reminders. Todoist, a task management tool that allows you to create to-do lists, set reminders, and prioritize tasks. These are some examples of online platforms that can help you stay organized, but there are many more options available. The key is to find a platform that works for you and your specific needs and also integrate it with your workflow. In conclusion, freelancing is a great way to make money online. It's simple, easy, and anyone can do it. By identifying your skills, creating a portfolio, finding clients, and delivering quality work on time, you can make money freelancing. Remember to always be professional and manage your time effectively. That was a lot. I'm going to go nap now. If you enjoyed my video, please like and subscribe and leave a comment with any freelancing questions not covered in this video. And thanks for watching CoinCarter. It really means a lot to me. Bye! I hope to see you again.